You are welcome to Remit Trade Forex channel. My name is Paradise. In today's video, I will be talking about Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD price analysis. And in my previous video, if you look at this very GBP USD, I talk about the market coming from this very area that is going to move from this area to the upside, not above this very line of resistance at this very area. If you watch this video on the channel, you will see that out very clearly. And also on Euro USD, I said the market is going to move from this very area to the upside to this very line of resistance at this very area. And exact same thing, guys, the market move from here to this very point. If you watch this very video, you will see that as well. And today I'm also going to add AUD USD price analysis, and I'm also going to talk about today CPI and how you should position yourself in the market and how you can benefit from today's CPI. So watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the Euro USD right here, if you look at this market moved from here to this very area of resistance and come back down, and right now the market is trading at 1.0552. and right now, because of the fact that we have CPI data today in FOMC meeting tomorrow, I am expecting this market to move a little bit to the upside. Don't take a buy position. I'm expecting this market to move a little bit to the upside to this very line of resistance right at this very point. So from this price level of 1.0591 at this very area to where the market is right now of 1.0551, I'm expecting the market to retrace back to the downside from this very level. That means as we wait for the CPI data today, I'm expecting this market to, from this very area, move back to the downside. That is what I am paying attention to. One significant thing you have to take note of is a significant bearish candle to the downside. Once you see a significant bearish candle to the downside, that is an indication that the market is going to move back down into this level of support. This is what I am paying attention to. Market should move from this very area to this very area, which you see the market come back right down from this very area into this very line of support of 1.0441 at this very point. This is what I am expecting on the Euro USD 4-hour chart. And if the market break this very line of resistance at this very point, then expect the market to move up, but don't expect any severe move to the upside. If you see the market break this level of resistance at this very area and begin to move to the upside after the breakout with a significant bullish candle, don't expect the market to move aggressively. The market can just move slightly and then come back down again. So pay attention to a breakout here, but the most important thing you should pay attention to is to look for short position after you see a significant bearish candle to the downside, because I am expecting the market to move from here back into this line of support. This is what I am paying attention to on Euro USD 4-hour chart, and on GBP USD 4-hour chart as well. Like I said, from this area market moved to the upside, and I said market is not going to make a higher than the previous high at this very point on the GBP USD. And exact same thing, watch this video to find that out. And right now what I am expecting is the market to retrace from this very point of 1.2330 to where the market is right now at this very point. This is where I am expecting retracement to occur for the market to come back right to the downside to this line of support as well. So expect the market to, from this area, move back to the downside into this line of support. That is a price of 1.2128 at this very area of support. So expect the market to come back down. We see the market move up aggressively, market come back down, lost a momentum in the market moving to the upside, and right now we are seeing the market at this very area finding it difficult to create a new higher than the previous high at this very point. So expect the market from here to move to the downside. And one of the things you should be paying attention to is a significant bearish candle to the downside at this level of resistance. We have resistance at this area, resistance here, which is also resistance at this very point, and market is going to come back down from here to the downside, especially the period of the CPI data release. And also on the AUD USD at this very point, you see the market move up to this point and come back down to this line of support. This market come back into this line of support at this very area and come back to the upside, but could not create a new high, had a previous high at this very point. So what that implies is the market from here is lacking momentum to move to the upside. That is very sound indication that we should pay attention to the market coming back to the downside. What I am paying attention to as well on the AUD USD is the market coming back into this line of support. I'm paying attention to this line of support at this very point. Expect this continuation of the market coming back to the downside. I am expecting this bearish move to start between this price of 0.6799 to this area of 0.6762. So from this area right at this very point to this very area of resistance is where I'm expecting the market to start moving to the downside from. And a significant bearish candle is one of the things you have to watch to know that the market have started moving back to the downside. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now on this different chart, and this is what I am paying attention to as well on the AUD USD. And one thing very important about the CPI today is today's CPI is the last CPI for the year. And also tomorrow we have the FOMC meeting, which is very important, and it will have a great impact in the market. Now, if you look at this very data, if you look at here, we have this very forecast to be 0.3%. That means we are expecting the reduction in inflation over months of this very area, at this very area. And if you look at this year by year, we are expecting also a reduction in inflation, because last year was 7.7%, but we are expecting this year to run up with 7.3%. And if the number, that is if the data comes out, especially for this month per month at this very area, comes out maybe 0.2 or less than this value that is expected, then that means it will favor the USD. And if it goes above this, then that means the market is going to move to the upside. Pay attention to the forecast and the previous to actually get the actual right here. And what I am expecting, like I said, is a reduction in inflation, which will cause a strength in the USD. And also, if we see a reduction right here, let's say for example 7.0 or 7.2, and a greater reduction, let's say for about 6.8, will make the USD very, very strong the more. So pay attention to the data that will be released right here for the market to come back down. So I'm expecting the CPI to impact on the market, for the market to move back to the downside in favor of the USD, and also at this very point market should come back down, and also at this very point market should come back down. Then tomorrow, after the FOMC meeting, we are going to also look at this chart and also define the next move in the market. So what do you think about the market on Euro USD? Do you think this very line of resistance is going to be broken for the market to start moving to the upside, or we are going to go in line with this very analysis? That means the market have to move from this area of resistance right here back into this level of support. Comment below in the comment section. And what do you think about this very data that will be released today, the CPI data? Do you think at this report we're going to see a reduction in inflation, let's say for example about 0.2%, and the year per year we're going to see about 7.0 or 6.8%? What do you think? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.